How to share images in Photoroom. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can share the images. First of all, open the application. Now here on the bottom, you can see this plus icon. Simply tap on this plus icon. Here, you can select the image that you want to edit. So I've been loaded to this editing interface. Now here, you can do whatever edits you like. So it's completely on your preference. And at last, here on the right top, you'll be able to see this share button. Simply tap on share. So this will even directly save it into your gallery, and it will even save it into your personal space in your Google. Now you can copy this link here by simply tapping on share link and share it with the person whom you want to share the link or this edit. So you can share it through social medias and any platforms. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.